Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you this new product I received. It is a black cardigan sweater, okay? So I'm going to be trying it on and I'm going to show you, but first I want to let you see all this part it has. I like it a lot, like the details it has in the arm, okay? And well, I choose the size small, and well, I think this is a basic cardigan you need to have in your closet, and I'm going to put it and then I'm going to show you. Okay, I already take off my sweater I have, and I'm going to put it. And I want to tell you that this sweater it's super warm, and it's also important to tell you that the design of this product let you use it in every season. Okay, the cardigan it looks like this. I want to tell you that this product it comes like at the middle of the arm. Okay, so I like it a lot because you can use it with many things. I'm going to do you more. Okay, I already moved you a little bit, and I want to show you how the cardigan it looks. Okay, it looks like this, and down the back part it looks like this, and in front like this. Okay, so I also want to mention you that this cardigan it's super warm, and I like it because you can use it in many seasons you want. Okay, and well, I like it also because you can look formal or casual, however you want to look your outfit. Okay, so I like it a lot, and well, this is perfect. Maybe we want to give something this Christmas. Okay, I like it, and I want to show you the how it looks. It's like 3/4 of the arm. Okay, so I like it. You can move perfect, and the texture of the cardigan it's perfect. Okay, so I hope you like it, and tell me what you like. I choose the black color because it's my favorite color, like you can see, but there are many colors, and well, this is a perfect gift, and I hope you like it.